Capture a scan using FARO Stream. First thing we're going to do is make sure that we're connected to our scanner. So we go to the upper right, click on the eye, and we're going to try to find our scanner. If you don't see it, you can go to your settings on your iPhone, locate your scanner, connect to it. If it asks for a password, the password is 0 through 9, all numbers. Then you can return to Stream. Once you find your device, make sure the check mark in the lower left corner of the icon on the left is checked. Click back, click on plus in the upper left, and you have a new project with today's date and time. You can add anything to the end of that you want. You can elect to take a photo. Click on Use Photo, use Current Location, and choose Create. At the bottom, you can go to the scan profile. I'm going to choose Accelerated. So I'm going to click off of it and back on it. And now I'm ready to scan. This will be a grayscale scan. I'll click the blue button to scan. And you can see the outline of the area that I'm scanning. Once the scan is complete, the scanner will turn once more to capture the inclinometer. If you turn the color on, it will also capture the metering for the light, or it will meter for light, and then it will capture color. When it's complete, you can move the scanner to a new location. Once you set the scanner down, you'll want to press the inclinometer icon on the scanner itself. Adjust the front, move your scale bar, and click the blue button. You will see the outline of the area that you're scanning up here on the screen. And soon thereafter, once it gets enough data, it will register to the two scans together in top view. When you've finished with your scans, you'll have to disconnect from the scanner, transfer your scans to the SD card, and once the scans have been transferred, you can turn the scanner off and remove the SD card, process and register. In scene, you will need to change the automatic registration from top view and cloud to cloud only. If your scans failed to register together, you can always tap on a scan, unlock it, and then move the scan around with your finger. 2 fingers will rotate the scan. You can push the scan where you think it should go, tap the center of the scan again and choose the cloud icon, and that will automatically register your scans together. And that's it. It's that easy in FARO Stream.